In today's video I'm going to be getting on with something that I'm sure is bugging a lot of people. What is under the seat on a CFMOTO 450 MT? Alright, so let's have a look. Let's put the key in. Let's take the seat off. I've taken my user manual out, which the dealer put in under here. I don't want it to sit in there and get destroyed, so I've taken that out, but you may find your user manual there. Starting from the front, we have the cover for the air filter and the air intake. We've got the battery. We've got some relays here. We've got a port and the toolkit, as well as some wires for the rear tail light and whatnot underneath there. Right, so the air filter, super easy to take off. I've got a video on how to do that. Battery, super accessible. I've wired in my battery harness into it. Got a video on how to do that. The next part, with all these relays and everything, not really going to touch them, other than just, I don't know, I might just break something. So everything is as per normal, stock. Not going to touch it. There's no need to. I'll just fix up that cap though. That needs to be touched. Okay, so what's this here? This is an LED. Looks like a relay for that. This might become important for perhaps if you need to connect up something that uses running power to be able to switch it to this, just with a harness or a relay to detect the power on that to then draw the power from the battery. That'll make sense to someone, I'm sure. Alright, this port here, which is quite fascinating. Let's have a look. It looks like an OBD2 connector. There's 2 pins on the top here, 1, 2, well, it's like 1 and 3, and then down the bottom here, 3rd along to the 5th along, sorry, there's 3 pins just there. There's a better look. Pictures speak 1,000 words, right? Toolkit. Well, this is something which I'm sure people will want to know about, and as part of the toolkit, I'm also going to include what's under the seat here, which is this spanner for adjusting your preload on the rear shock. So this part here with the lugs on it, that's what that tool's for. Alright, so toolkit wise, it's a nice bag. Nothing left in that. There's a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver attachment, the handle for that, so you can choose which way it goes in. 12mm spanner and 14mm spanner, both open end. Another open end of 17 and a 14. Allen key, this is probably a 5mm I think. And then a 4mm one, which is used for your air filter. An 8mm and 10mm spanner. A little bar here. And another Allen key. So this is the toolkit. So what does that translate to? Let's say if you needed to adjust your chain. Well, could you undo that? Maybe the 17. Let's have a look. No. This is too small. The 14mm spanner fits into that adjustment locking lug, and the 10mm fits into that one. So that's the use of those, I guess. Unsure of how you would tighten your chain with this toolkit. I don't think you would. You'd need to get something else to connect up to here. You know, it's not a biggie, but it's new to me because my Honda CTX 700, the stock toolkit, comes with a tool to be able to undo that bolt, which is great for chain tension and maintenance, but it didn't come with one to do the front. So, and the same with this toolkit, there's nothing for the front, which you'd expect really. Unsure if there are some more spanners hidden somewhere, because that's what this is for. It's for those ring spanners that go into this tube. Maybe I'm just missing those. I'll have to let the dealer know if that's something that is missing from the toolkit, but that's the first time I've opened it, so I certainly haven't gone through it and removed anything. Not that you'd really want to anyway, but anyway. So that just attaches with these straps. They can come out. Yeah, let's start with the back ones. Hooks in and over. I like this. This is super. That's super easy to attach in there. No dramas with that. That's a really well designed strap. So simple and really effective. Well, that's it for today's video on what's underneath the seat on a 450 MT, and hopefully you have learned something new and piqued your curiosity. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all next time. Laters!